If you are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi and looking for simple beginner friendly modak recipe, I am excited to share two different flavor variation with you. Let's get started. In non-stick pan first I am going to add some milk powder along with condensed milk, some ghee and the pinch of cardamom powder. I am going to cook these ingredients together on low to medium heat while continuously stirring everything together. Remember to continuously keep stirring and scraping the sides of the bottom of your pan because this mixture is likely to stick and boil. After a couple of minutes, you will see that the mixture will become thicker and the deeper in color. This is exactly what we are looking for. It will also start releasing itself from the surface of the pan. My mixture looks nice and thick. I am now going to divide this between two different bowls, and in one of the bowls I am going to add in some cocoa powder and mix it in well. The base of my modak is ready. Now I am going to make the filling, which is extremely simple. All I need to do is to combine some shredded coconut, some jaggery powder and pistachios. Let's give it a quick mix and set it aside. Now on the most fun part, which is shaping our modak. Take some dough and press it around the sides of the mold. This is going to make an outer shell. And now into this, let's add in a spoon of our filling and then cover it with more dough on top. To make the demolding easier, you can put this in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes and open it. I hope you guys will try making this very simple and easy modak at home. And wishing you guys a lot of happiness and a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi.